Today we're going to make steak au poivre. Au poivre means with pepper in French. For this classic dish, I'm going to use two types of peppercorns, black and green. The unripened green peppercorns are usually pickled and brined. They have a fresh, explosive flavor. Start with a New York strip and cut it 1 inch thick and trim all the visible fat. Pound the steak a little with a mallet to flatten it and tenderize it a bit. Sprinkle it with kosher salt on both sides and let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. Prepare the black peppercorns by wrapping them in plastic wrap and cracking them with the flat side of the mallet. We do this at the last minute to preserve the fresh flavor of the pepper. You could also use the coarse setting on your pepper grinder. Sprinkle the peppercorns onto your steak and use your fingers to press them in. Heat olive oil in a skillet to medium high and add a chunk of butter. When the butter melts and starts to sizzle, add the steak and cook it for 2 minutes on each side. Remove the steak from the skillet, pour off the excess fat. We want to keep these dark particles which are stuck to the pan. They're called fond. I'm rather fond of fond. It adds great flavor to our sauce. We're going to add minced shallots, diced red peppers, and green peppercorns. And now for the fun part. Add a shot of cognac to our skillet and catch it on the flame. Now we're cooking. Add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. Allow the cream to reduce and pour it over the steak. This is steak au poivre. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru.